Today's recipe is egg fried rice. So in a vessel on medium flame I have added in oil. After that I've added in fennel seeds, cumin seeds, some cardamom, some cloves, some bay leaves and some star anise. So once they are spluttering, then I add in the onions, also the green chilies. Adding in the carrots. Adding in ghee. Combine well and cook till the onions are done. You can even add ginger garlic paste here if you want. So once the onions are cooked, I'm adding in the capsicum. And cook till the capsicum is done. Now I'm adding in red chilli powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, combine well. Pepper powder, and salt. Combine them well and saute for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding in the cooked rice. Here I have used normal rice. You can even add jeera sambar rice, but remember it needs to be pre-cooked for about 5 hours. Or if you're preparing this in the afternoon, you can just cook your rice and keep it in the morning itself. The basic thing is that we don't want rice to be soft while mixing in here. Otherwise, it will tend to become very soft and not good texture. So coat the rice with the mixture, combine well, mix well. So after the rice is mixed well with the mixture, we add in the eggs. Okay, now you can keep the flame to low. Initially, if I have not mentioned, the flame is medium. Now we turn the flame to low. We add in the eggs and mix well. I also have a similar recipe, egg fried rice, in this channel, in my channel itself. You can go check it out. In that it's I add the boiled eggs, and here I add in the raw eggs. That is the only difference. But both came out well. You need to try them. Check out my other video also. So saute this for a minute or two and keep on cooking on low flame for about 5 minutes. Basically, the egg on the rice needs to be well cooked. Next, we add in the chopped spring onions. Combine well. And your egg fried rice is ready. It's a great main course dish for Manchurian gravy or any veg starters, non-veg starters. So hope you'll go and try out this video. And if you did enjoy this video, please show some love and also share this video. And do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you then.